Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete ride history in Yandex Go. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Yandex Go application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Yandex Go. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Yandex Go videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see guys, here we have the Yandex Go official application where you can choose your transport or taxi, whichever you want. You can go and tap on where to put the location where you want your taxi to bring you to. Now when you click on the top left corner, we will get some information here. So we can enter your phone number here. We see our current address. We can see some payment methods where you can go and add your payment methods. We can see the support center if you have, of course, any questions. We have safety. We have gifts and discounts where you can go and enter a promo code to get them. We have the settings where you can go and see display traffic, clear map, cache. We can go and call, share my location. We can put the dark theme if somebody is a fan of that. And also we have the notifications. And also in the end, we have the last information, which is the information tab. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete ride history in Yandex Go. Well, to do so guys, you'll need to go and click on one of these and just hold your finger on them, and that the way you can go and delete them. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.